Hello and welcome to Crypto News. Today is August 26, 2025, and here are the top cryptocurrency news stories. We'll start our episode with Japan's finance minister, who is a supporter of cryptocurrencies. Specifically, Japan's finance minister, Mr. Katsunobu Kato, addressed the audience from the stage during his keynote speech at the Web3 WebEx 2025 conference in Tokyo, and stated that while cryptocurrencies carry the risk of high volatility, with the creation of a suitable investment environment, they can be an option for a diversified portfolio. He also said that he takes into account the increased user base, which can benefit him in the future, so the high volatility of cryptocurrencies, which was once considered a negative feature, does not bother us much. And we see from previous episodes of Crypto News that Japan is entering the cryptocurrency market very dynamically. Moving on to our investment landscape, we examine our ETPs, which since last week have shown outflows of over $1.4 billion. The largest outflows come from Bitcoin with $1.3 billion, while Ethereum has outflows of $440 million. From our ETPs, we move on to our ETFs, which unfortunately do not yet have complete data, as today we do not have updates from 3 companies. For the 25th of the month, we are at $148 million for Bitcoin, while Ethereum ETFs show a similar picture. Although there is still no data from 3 companies, we have inflows of $104 million. Moving on to ETFs, Canary Capital is looking to launch an ETF that will include all cryptocurrencies developed in the US, meaning this ETF could include XRP, Solana, Cardano, Avalanche, and any cryptocurrency manufactured in the US. Additionally, Grayscale is planning to convert its Avalanche Trust into an ETF, which we may see decided upon by the end of the year, along with the rest of the ETF approvals. As for companies buying, like there's no tomorrow, Strategy bought $357 million worth of Bitcoin, Sequans is raising $200 million to buy Bitcoin, and Sharps Technology is raising $400 million to buy Solana. Following this announcement, the company's share price rose 104% on the weekly chart. For Solana, according to Bloomberg, there are 3 giants, Galaxy Digital, Multicoin, and Jump Crypto, that want to buy Solana. These investment firms, which are already active in cryptocurrencies, plan to create a new entity that will invest $1 billion in Solana. While there is no official announcement yet, Bloomberg reports confirm this interest. Meanwhile, another company is pursuing a similar plan for BNB, specifically B Strategy, a digital asset investment firm founded by former Bitmain executives, plans to launch a $1 billion fund dedicated to the BNB market. Moving on to our coins, according to Mr. Arthur Hayes, founder of BitMEX, in the next 3 years he expects Hyperliquid to make 126x profits. At WebEx 2025 in Tokyo on Monday, he said that thanks to the rise of stablecoins, Hyperliquid could deliver 126 times returns over the next 3 years. As he pointed out in his speech, this prediction extends to 2028. From Mr. Arthur Hayes, we now move on to various developments related to Mr. Cristiano Ronaldo. Let's say that since Saturday, following the Kanye West trend, a lot of meme coins have been released that everyone claims are Ronaldo's official meme coins. Let's clarify that Mr. Ronaldo has not released an official meme coin. There are various meme coins, such as one that rose to a capitalization of $143 million and then fell by 98% in just 15 minutes. So be very careful, it's a meme coin. We are not talking about an investment. We are talking about gambling, as you understand. Moving on, it's time to go to our favorite cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin is at $109,000, with the price stalled at our support, as you can see. I don't know if it will go lower. Anything can happen in the cryptocurrency market. Now let's say that liquidations are coming and they have reached $900 million. The main reason for Bitcoin's decline since Saturday, as you know from Crypto News, seems to be a whale from what I read since yesterday afternoon. In the last 5 days, there is a wallet that has sold 23,000 BTC worth $2.6 billion via Hyperliquid. At the same time, these BTC sales were used to buy 473,000 ETH worth $2.2 billion, and the rest of the money was placed in a long position in ETH, so a lot of investments are shifting out of Bitcoin these days. And let's say that with Bitcoin so low, 2 months ago, the crypto market would have been much redder than it is today. For now, the entire crypto market is holding up extremely well. That wraps up the top news for crypto. Today is August 26th, 2025. I'd like to remind you that the content you just watched is created for educational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice, but rather as investment opinion. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and feel free to comment. Take care everyone and have a good day.